So, pop-on veneers definitely changed my life. As you can see, I'm missing some teeth and it's embarrassing smiling. So, came in this nice little case with a mirror so you can see how beautiful your smile is with your pop-on veneers. And it also comes with your mold impression, which this is basically what my top teeth look like. And as you can see, the veneers go over these perfectly if you do your impressions right, which it's very easy to do the impressions. Just make sure you watch the videos and pop them on, and I can finally smile again. Like, I can't. Pop-on veneers gave me my smile back, and that means the world to me. Honestly, I'm not embarrassed to smile anymore. I can smile again, and that's just... I cried when I first put these on. Thank you, pop-on veneers.